Pushrod Fury. Yep, Pushrod Fury here. We have a little project today. We're going to update a piece of chrome trim on the Yamaha. And I'll show you what's going on here. So this taillight holder, you can see it's all rusty and ugly. And I mean, this bike will never be a show bike, I don't think, but it drives me crazy like seeing all this rust. And I did the rust removal on it, but it's pitted all the way through, so really the only choice was to maybe paint it or to get another piece re-chromed. And so I happened to have another license plate taillight holder, and I was sending chrome work out for a different build, and I went ahead and included that. So we're going to remove this, but while I'm working on it, you know, these bikes are notorious for rusting underneath the fender, and so I'm going to treat this with Hydrate 80. So I'm going to clean this up really good, and then clean it with that product Hydrate 80, which will convert the rust into sort of an inert surface and prevent it from rusting any further. So for now, I loosen these bolts. I'm going to go ahead and take these off, and then I'll proceed with disconnecting the electrical, and we'll put the new bracket on. Okay. Okay, I've got the bracket back onto this rubber pad, and I cleaned everything up nicely. And it's kind of a pain to get these little rubber bungs back through there. So, oops, here's my battery pack. So now, these little guys need to go through here, and this is sitting on the rubber pad in the back. So those are going to go in there, and we'll get it all buttoned up, but I won't bore you. We're going to put that in there. We're going to use my treated hardware. It doesn't look that pretty, but you can't really see it. So anyway, we'll get to work. All right, here it is, the new taillight license plate bracket. I guess restored bracket, because we took one off of a donor bike and had it re-chromed by my buddy Bob Mazzoli and Cicero. And I would say that's going to be difficult to improve upon. It was driving me crazy. The old one was all rusted in there and all rusted back here. This one, there's still marks, but it's chromed at least. Because again, the other, this is from a donor bike, so. But nice and sparkling now. Okay. Well, if you like what you saw, please subscribe, hit the like, share it with your buddies, and yeah, have fun out there getting old bikes back on the road again. All right, thanks again. Bye.